Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the issue where it says Windows has detected an IP address conflict, then either read to this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you to the resolution. Now, the reason behind this error is that two similar IP addresses have been detected, and for this reason, the first advised solution is to change the MAC address or physical address of the system. But a better way to resolve the problem is to simply release and renew the IP address, and if it doesn't help one, then try it again. Copy these two commands, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste both the commands here and hit enter. This is it. It will resolve the problem in discussion. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.